Hello and welcome back guys to a basic Flutter material widgets course for beginners level. In this course we will be designing an app using material design widget. But in today's tutorial we will be working on material banner. So let's start. First of all, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update. For this we have to add body. In the body column children, in the children we will have add material banner. In material we have two things, content and actions. Let's first work on content. Padding const agent sets dot symmetric vertical 20. Let's add column to our padding is a child const text notifications. For example, notification is our material banner title. Now let's work on actions. Icon button on pressed is null for now. Icons dot close. Sorry, I forgot to add square brackets here. Let me add and save. As you can see, now we have our material banner. Let's add leading to our material banner. The leading will have circle avatar, child icon, icons dot notification, outline and save. Let's add sized box here under our notification text and height 5 to have spacing, and then add text. I will put some dummy text here and save. Let's give alignment to our column. To align the text to start by giving cross axis alignment dot start and save. Let's add shadow to our banner by adding elevation 7. Now let's work on notification text styling. Style text style, font size 18, font weight dot w600 and save. As you can see, now we have our banner, and adjust the code by adding and removing extra commas. Our tutorial ends up here. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like and comment, and turn on the notification button to never miss an update.